It's that time of the year again.
The festivities are just around the corner.
We wanted to take a moment right now
to say thank you once again
for every order of
malt,
Hops,
equipment,
yeast,
beer, coffee.
We wanted to thank you for every follow on our socials.
Every view on YouTube.
And every thumbs up or heart you've given us.
We love keeping you brewing.
Teaching you what we've learnt.
And sharing in our love of beer.
So we're planning to continue all this hard work into 2023.
And bring you the best quality brewing ingredients and equipment.
Keeping you stocked with recipes and new ingredients.
And plenty of inspiration to keep you brewing.
We can't wait to see what you'll be making.
And the amazing ideas you'll be sharing.
Happy brewing, everyone, and a Merry Christmas.
Literally, happy brewing, everyone, and Merry Christmas.
Okay.
All right?
Yeah.